Yeah, hi all. Well, today I'm going to be putting some chicken mesh around chimney, or flue as they call it. Up there is the top of the flue. I'm going to put chicken wire around it to stop birds from going down the flue into the firebox and creating a ruckus. Yeah, so here's the top that I took off. It was on top of that flue that's up there. Put some chicken wire mesh around this. Stop the birds from getting in. Right, the tools I'm using, just some side cutters, and a bit of galvanised steel wire, and of course chicken wire. You don't need much. What I did was measured the circumference of the top hat, whatever you want to call it, of the wire, chicken wire, and cut it out. Cut it in half. There's one piece here, and another piece here. One around that half there, and you halve a half around the other half, like so. The birds can't get in there. And with my galvanised wire, stuff here, tire wire, cheap as, I cut 6 pieces over here, because he was free parts where I can tie it to. I'm going to wrap the chicken wire around, and fold these over in half, like so. Feed them around those holders, because these 3 holders I done 6 ties. One up the top, up here, and one down the bottom, down there. Tie it all together. To tie the chicken mesh onto the hold things, all I'm doing is feeding the wire from the inside out through the chicken mesh. Wish I might go a bit lower. It's a bit tricky. You get dirty hands, but hey, soap and water. Feed it through. Pull it tight. And just give it the twists. There. And there's one part of 3 done. Hi all, yeah, I made a bit of a boo-boo. There's a bit of a gap in here. The mesh don't quite close up the whole thing. So what I did, I cut a length of wire, and I'm just going to feed it around and around and around through the ends, and pull it tight, and hopefully that will close the chicken wire closer and close up that gap. There it is there. Close that gap up, a little bit of wire. Just fed it through and pulled it tight. Nice and snug. No way the birds are going to get in there unless you're Woody Woodpecker. Right. Of course, just make sure you can fold Fold that all over. Chicken mesh is awesome to work with. Just bend it over. Yeah, bend it over. And that's it, guys. Birds are not going to get in there. No way. Yeah, so there you are. She's all done. Chicken mesh wide around. All around, all around, all around, all around. The merry-go-round. Yeah, all job done. Completed. So there you go. She's up there. Reinstalled. Thanks for watching. Birds found somewhere else to lay eggs and have chicks. Up in there somewhere. Don't know where, but they're up there. Thanks for watching.